The Shenzhen Jianning Hospital is a newly built psychiatric clinic which was put into operation in the second half of 2019.
In
the Shenzhen Pingshan Kangning Hospital, we already had a special system for the disposal of food waste installed before we opened. It has 4 input points, 1 main collection tank and 3 local collection tanks. In each of the 2 restaurants, there are 2 disposal systems for food waste. The leftovers can then be pumped safely into the collection tank.
We no longer have to transport the food waste away from the clinic ourselves. MEIKO products make it possible for us to channel the food waste into the disposal system directly, where it's then transported away through a pipe system. This prevents liquids from seeping out and eases the burden on the environment. Another positive feature is the fact that it is odor neutral. It's a completely closed system, so there are no unpleasant smells. The installation of this system has been very good for us, from food waste collection right up to its transport and disposal. In the end, the waste is turned into fertilizer that we can then use to feed our plants. So even the green spaces around us can also profit from the system.
MEIKO has been involved in this project right from the outset, even when the hospital was still no more than a construction site. Later, at the commissioning and in training courses, we brought in other after-sales services, all implemented by MEIKO Cleaning Technology Zhongshan Co. Limited.
We commissioned some market research in advance of the project, and the results showed that MEIKO had the best reputation on the market. So that's why we decided in favor of working together with MEIKO.
MEIKO, the clean solution.